Alright, boys and girls, this is the beginning of another snowstorm. February 9, 2025. I'm just hoping that it's not going to be as bad as they say it is. But people are talking about blizzard 78 this, blizzard 78 that. I'm hoping it's not. I'm hoping it's just a blizzard on my ass. About 3-4 inches, that's what I'm saying. I hope that's all it is. I'm sick of this friggin' snow. But anyways, let's go check it out. Isn't too many people out. We're about to go see how many people are out. It is crappy, I'm not gonna lie. Look at this asshole, park on the corner. Yeah, park on the corner so nobody else can go out. Oh my god. It's bad, it's really bad. I mean, for a snowstorm, of course it's bad, right? Started about 10 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. In case you didn't know, in case you're sleeping, it started around 10:30. Oh my god. Funny thing is, people still going